Did you know that the use of salicylic acid, aspirin, dates back to the 5th century BC? As described by Hippocrates, the bitter powder obtained from willow bark was used to reduce fever and relieve pain, which is very similar to the way we use it today. But, besides being an extremely effective pain reliever, aspirin also has some other amazing uses, which you probably didn't know about. Here are 9 amazing uses of aspirin. 1. Removes perspiration stains. If you are getting ready for an important event, but your favorite white dress shirt has a sweat stain, try this trick. Crush 2 aspirins and mix them with 1/2 cup of warm water, then soak the stained part of the shirt in the solution for 2 to 3 hours. 2. Dries up pimples. Crush 1 aspirin and mix it with a bit of water. Apply the mixture to the pimple, and let it sit for a couple of minutes before you wash it off with soap and warm water. This trick will help you reduce the redness and soothe the sting. If needed, repeat the procedure until the pimple is gone. 3. Kills insect bites and stings. Aspirin can also help reduce swelling and soothe the itching caused by mosquito or bee bites. Wet your skin and rub some aspirin over the spot. Note: if you are allergic to bee stings, we advise you to seek medical attention at once. 4. Treats hard calluses. These tablets can also help soften hard calluses on your feet. Mix 5 or 6 crushed aspirins with 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1/2 teaspoon of water to form a paste. Apply the paste to the affected areas, wrap your foot with a warm cloth, and cover it with a plastic bag. Leave for 10 minutes, and then exfoliate the hard areas with a pumice stone. 5. Helps restore hair color. This use of aspirin is especially useful during the summer, as swimming in a chlorinated pool can have a noticeable effect on your light-colored hair. But do not worry, as you can return your hair color by mixing 6 to 8 crushed aspirins in a glass of warm water. Apply the solution thoroughly onto your hair and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. 6. Controls dandruff. You have a problem with snowflakes? Follow these steps to get rid of them. Crush 2 aspirins and add the powder to the amount of shampoo you use when you wash your hair. Leave the mixture on your hair for 1 to 2 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. 7. Lengthens the life of cut flowers. If you want to keep your flowers fresh longer, try this. Put a crushed aspirin in the water before adding your flowers. You can also add any multivitamin, a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt and baking soda, and even a copper penny. This trick works especially well for roses, making them last much longer and stay in better condition. Of course, don't forget to change the vase water a couple times during the week. 8. Garden aid. Aspirin is useful for your garden, but be careful when using it around plants, because too much of it can do damage to your greenery. Some gardeners use aspirin as a rooting agent, or they mix it with water to treat fungus conditions in the soil. When you are treating soil, you should put half or a full aspirin tablet in 1 liter of water. 9. Helps revive dead car batteries. If you are on the road and your car's battery died, and there is no one to help you out, try this trick. Drop 2 aspirin tablets into the battery itself. This may help you start your car, because the aspirin's acetylsalicylic acid will mix with the battery's sulfuric acid to produce one last charge. Always works. Note: before taking this medicine, do not give this medicine to a child or teenager with a fever, flu symptoms, or chicken pox. Aspirin can cause Reye's syndrome, a serious and sometimes fatal condition in children. You should not use aspirin if you are allergic to it, or if you have a recent history of stomach or intestinal bleeding, a bleeding disorder such as hemophilia, or if you have ever had an asthma attack or severe allergic reaction after taking aspirin or an NSAID, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, such as Advil, Motrin, Aleve, Orudis, Indocin, Lodan, Voltaren, Toradol, Mobic, Relafin, Feldene, and others. To make sure this medicine is safe for you, tell your doctor if you have asthma or seasonal allergies, stomach ulcers, liver disease, kidney disease, a bleeding or blood clotting disorder, gout, or heart disease, high blood pressure, or congestive heart failure. Taking aspirin during late pregnancy may cause bleeding in the mother or the baby during delivery. Tell your doctor if you are pregnant or plan to become pregnant. Aspirin can pass into breast milk and may harm a nursing baby. You should not breastfeed while using this medicine.